Hey beauties, today I'm partnering up with Uncle Funky's daughter and Hair Paint Wax to have a little fun and switch things up a bit, so let's get into these silver curls. So I'm starting out on old stretched hair. My hair has been in a bun for about a week and it desperately needs some moisture. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that by dampening my hair with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. So this is a staple here in my house for both Kylie and I. It always comes in handy when we need a midweek moisture boost. Just spray it all throughout your hair and you'll be good to go. So for today's style, I'm doing a chunky flat twist out. And I don't want my hair to be drenching wet, so I'm just lightly spraying this on one side. So next, I'm going to follow up by applying the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream to the section. Apply a good amount so that your hair is nice and moisturized. So I think the key to doing a stretched twist out is to apply less water or liquid leave-in and focus more on using more product than anything, since the water will make your hair start to revert. Now, applying a lot of product can also make your hair start to shrink and revert. So the amount of product that you use is dependent on how stretched you want the style to look, if that makes sense. So after moisturizing, just take your hair paint wax in the color of your choice. So I wanted to try out the silver color because there's just something about silver hair on brown skin that just looks so beautiful to me. So you can see the color is very vibrant and metallic. The product is pretty smooth to the touch and smells really, really good. It has a fresh scent to it. So just rub the product between your hands and apply it to small to medium sections. Now I advise to throw on a towel or old t-shirt when applying the color, since it does easily transfer when it's wet, but no worries if you do get it on your clothes or your skin, because it does easily wash out or can be wiped off your skin with a wet rag. So you can use gloves during the application process if you'd like, but like I said, it washes out easily with soap and water, so I opted to just use my hands. Hair Paint Wax has a variety of different colors you can choose from, so comment below and let me know what colors you've tried before or have been wanting to try, and let me know if you want me to do another video with some of the other colors. It's a fun way to switch up your look and have fun with a little color without the damage or commitment. So you can use multiple colors at once, color your entire hair, or use streaks to create highlights and pops of color throughout your hair. So just have some fun with it. Now the more coats you apply, the better the color shows up. So you can apply the hair paint wax to wet or dry hair, pre or post styling. Obviously, I applied the color before styling, so I'm just going to go ahead and create 2 quick flat twists. If you don't know how to flat twist, you can click the link in the description box below for a more detailed tutorial on that. But you can see how the silver color transferred compared to my real hair color. So I just repeated the same steps on the other side, let my hair dry overnight. I did put a t-shirt over my pillow for the color transfer since my hair was still damp with the products. After my hair was dry, I just unraveled the twist. You guys, this definition and color look so good. So to create volume, all I did was just separate the curls. So the Uncle Funky's Daughter products left my hair feeling so moisturized. Seriously, they always come through with the moisture, and you can check the description box for information on where to buy the products along with the discount code that you can use to save 15% off your purchase. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite Uncle Funky's Daughter product is. You guys, look at how fluffy and defined this twist out looks. I mean, the volume, definition, the color. I am definitely here for this look. So I will say that the hair paint wax did have a bit of a cast at first when I was unraveling the twist, which is typically normal when you're applying a lot of product that has a bit of a thick consistency. But the cast was easily broken when I started separating the twist. Now you can see how much bounce and body I have. My hair isn't stiff or crunchy at all. I mean, it really did feel soft and fluffy, you guys. I wish y'all could have felt my hair through the screen. It felt amazing. Now, I didn't use any oil when separating the curls, and the color transfer was pretty minimal on my fingers, as you guys can see. I will say that the color wasn't completely dry. It was still a little damp in some areas. So one jar was more than enough for me to do my entire hair. And I do have a lot of hair, and you can see I still had a little bit of product left over. But let me know what you guys think about this look. Would you guys rock this silver color? What color would you guys like to see me try next? Don't forget to check out the description box for more details on the products used. And of course, be sure to hit the thumbs up button so more people can find this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at naturallychia for more hair tips and styles.